Folks, if you want time freedom and money freedom, you need passive income. We all want freedom to travel the world and to explore and to live on our own terms. And yes, it's completely achievable, but it starts with building passive income. And here's exactly how to do it. Step one, you have to find the right vehicle. If you don't have investment capital for dividend stocks, crypto staking, or real estate investing, then you must find a product or service that pays you recurring revenue every single month. Step two, you need to get laser focused and take massive action. This is about entering a season of your life where everything but your family takes the back seat. You need to work hard, block out the distractions, and surround yourself with people who have succeeded in what you're about to tackle. And step three, keep pushing until you hit a minimum of $10,000 a month in passive income. While everyone's ideal income will differ, 10 grand a month is a solid foundation that covers most people's needs. If you're aiming higher, by all means, the sky's the limit with this. Once you master these 3 steps, you're not just living, you're living a thriving life on your own terms. But remember, it's up to you to take the action. If you're unsure where to start, I'm here to help you with that. Click the link below to book a quick call with me or visit joewagnercoaching.com to explore the partnership opportunities. Don't wait for the right time. The right time is right now. If not now, when? Don't keep waiting to start your journey towards financial freedom. It won't happen by magic, so let's make it happen together. I am inviting you to start today. I'll see you at the top.